Hey there, I'm Ben RIFE, the Kalling King. I'm sure this is not your first video at looking at phone system options, or maybe your first time at considering making a change to your business phone system. Maybe you even tried moving from a prem-based system to cloud calling and didn't go so well. And if that's you, that's okay. But you've come here for one of 8 reasons, because after surveying thousands of IT leaders and business decision makers over the last couple of years, I've learned there are only 8 reasons that anyone would consider making the change to the business phone system. So comment and let me know one or more of these apply to you. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you how Webex Calling meets each one of these 8 reasons to change your business phone system. So let's get started. We're going to start in reverse with number 8, features and benefits. You need a system that is relevant and current for today's work environment with advanced calling features such as voicemail to email, transcription, texting, call recording, group call management, and support for mobile, remote, and hybrid workers. What we found out is that work is not where you go, it is what you do. The legacy systems of yesterday were lacking in the features required to keep your team connected with each other, as well as with prospects, vendors, and customers. Webex provides a solution for calling, meeting, and messaging in a single app to keep your business running at peak performance, enabling your users with all the latest features so that they can have more, be more, do more, and give more. Number 7 is the customer experience. You want to provide your customers with a better customer experience, including reduced wait times, measuring call stats, or implementing call center type functionality. With poor customer experience comes customer churn. It's just as easy for your customer to pick up the phone and call another vendor or competitor of yours. With Webex Calling, you can control the call flow and measure customer wait times, abandonment, and talk time. What gets measured gets managed, what gets managed gets done. In another video, I'm going to share with you a customer who tripled their business in one day after switching to CISCO Webex Calling. Number 6, vendor support. Let's face it, your vendor sucks and you want better support. No, you deserve better support. You want a vendor that speaks English, that will answer your call at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m., knows your business, knows your people, your product, and your process. And by the way, you're not in the phone support business. You're in the business that you're in. And so you should not have to worry about managing and maintaining a phone system. Now, my business, Bullfrog, we provide support for Webex Calling, for calling, meeting, and messaging, and anything related to the user experience, such as an internet outage or maybe a switch failure, anything that can impact the customer experience or your user experience. Number 5 is growth and expansion. 2 of my favorite words in the English language, growth and expansion. So you're growing, great. Maybe you're adding a few employees. Maybe you're adding another location. Maybe you're getting ready for a merger and acquisition. Regardless, you may have a system or multiple locations with multiple systems, and you want to tie all of your users, all your locations, all your people together to have a centralized management and to be able to include communication across the organization. With Webex, you've got a single dashboard, a portal to manage all your users, all your devices across all locations in a single interface. Number 4 is contract renewal. Your circuit or maintenance agreements are coming due for renewal and you want to look at other options. That is a great time to look at options before you get locked into another long-term contract. And a lot has changed since you first installed that system 5 or 10 years ago, or even 1 year ago. You want to do your homework and make sure that you're getting a system that has all the advanced features that you need to support your business for the next 5 years and beyond. Speaking of homework, I've got a free guide to show you how to transition, how to plan your transition to cloud calling. In the comments below, click free guide and I'll send you the free guide to tell you exactly how to plan that transition to cloud calling. The third reason that you might want to make a change to your business phone system is hardware, software, or circuit failure. And so you've got something wrong with your system. Maybe you have to reboot it on a regular basis, or the voicemail doesn't work anymore, or you're afraid to reboot the system or it loses power because you're not sure it'll even come back up, or if you have unreliable internet or phone lines that cause call quality issues. With Webex, it's cloud hosted in Cisco's data center, which is geographically redundant and highly available. That means there's no hardware on site for you to worry about, to maintain, or even worry about failing. It's in Cisco's data center. And also, an internet outage, power outage, active God, or pandemic have minimal or no effect at all now, because calls automatically get rerouted to a mobile phone, an app, another location, or voicemail. The number 2 reason that someone would make a change to their business phone system is cost. You want to reduce your total cost of ownership. And so your system is probably expensive to maintain, and there's a lot that goes into a phone system. system more than just maintenance contracts and phone lines. You've got license costs, maintenance costs, third-party support for moves, adds, and changes, hardware replacement, rack space, power, cooling, real estate, multiple solutions for calling, meeting, and messaging, and a lost opportunity cost, which is the cost of keeping your system rather than choosing a better option. And the number one reason for making the change to your business phone system, as surveyed, is complexity. You require a PhD to configure your system, and your users would rather use their personal cell phone instead of a complex desk phone anyway. With traditional on-prem systems, whether it's Cisco, Avaya, Mitel, ShoreTel, Hotel, NoTel, and the list goes on, the complexity of these systems required a specialization and certification, making it prohibitive to support and even use. And so this means you probably have to rely on third-party support for anything beyond a simple move, add, or change, and you hope that nothing serious happens. With Webex, it was designed so that the least technical person on your team can handle administration. Even Angela, your office manager, can handle moves, adds, and changes. Let's review the 8 reasons to make a change to your business phone system and see how many of these apply to you. And again, let me know in the comment below which one is a driving factor for you. Number 1, complexity. Number 2, cost. Number 3, hardware, software, or even circuit failure. Number 4, contract renewal. Number 5, growth and expansion. Number 6, vendor support. Number 7, the customer experience. Number 8, features and benefits. Again, comment below which of these apply to you, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest in cloud calling from the Calling King. I'll see you on the next video.